Soy powder. Hey, before I go out, I want to go out the same bowl. Gabby going. Yo! Just talking about fresh fish. Watch it, boy. Watch it what we do today. Watch. Don't see. Tilapia by tilapia.
Kill it. Fresh catch, fresh catch.
Very beer. By Jared there. Hassa quarry. What's the buy? Hassa quarry. Let's tell you rats. If it wasn't for you, none of it would have come. Oh, my family's time, bro. My family's time. Let me charge, bro. Let me charge, bro. I'm gonna be. Let me charge, bro.